Let's talk about an exciting Midjourney feature that's perfect for artists like us who want to maintain our own unique style in the AI world. It's called sref or style reference. This feature allows us to influence the style of the image Midjourney creates based on our own artwork. Now on this Midjourney alpha page, we can directly upload our artwork here, and to use the style reference, please make sure the symbol shows that it's on a style reference. Yes, double check that. Now we also can use the image from the other prompt as the style reference also. We are allowed to adjust the string of the style reference with --sw. The range is from 0 to 1000 and the default is 100. For this type of image generation, try to keep the prompt as simple as possible because we want all the elements from the style reference image to be picked up by Midjourney. And the stylization here is different with the style reference weight. So that's about it. So thank you for your time here. If you guys like me to cover any other topic, do let me know, and also try it yourself and share with me what do you think about this stylization approach. Do try it yourself on these style references and let me know what you guys think.